My son has a computer that is not working. It only has a blank screen. Also, the light to the hard drive is not on. Is the hard drive broken? Can I get the computer repaired or do I need to buy another one? I'm sorry, I have to put this first. It seems so obvious and so silly until it happens to you. Based on the description of this question, no lights, no nothing. Is the computer plugged in? Seriously, is it plugged in? It's happened to me. You're wondering why nothing's happening? It's because it hasn't been plugged in. So that's obviously the first thing, and it's wonderfully easy to fix.